This is TOPO Monitor, the world's first controller monitor for a game console controller. As gaming professionals, we enjoy playing on a big television or monitor at home. We have to put the game console near the TV, and then we have to pull up a chair or sit on the couch. That's why we made TOPO Monitor achieve maximum gaming experience and at an affordable price for everyone. TOPO Monitor is a 7-inch monitor with built-in audio. Unlike other monitors, TOPO Monitor is power-saving. It can be powered via the USB port on your PlayStation or Xbox game console. TOPO Monitor is as light and thin as a smartphone. It's easy to carry and convenient to use. Just plug and play. There's no need to install any software. TOPO Monitor is an ideal companion for game players. No matter if you're watching a video or playing games, it's perfect for Xbox or PlayStation. It's compatible with all laptop mini-computers, like Raspberry Pi, as we include the HDMI port and audio output you need. We've developed an affordable product that gives you freedom and flexibility. Please support us and help us bring TOPO Monitor to life.